Hello everyone. Today we will discuss BSc Nursing previous year question paper MCQs. So let's get started. Which biomolecule acts as a biological catalyst? Correct answer is D. Enzyme. Enzymes are proteins that speed up chemical reactions without being consumed. Next question. Which organelle controls all cellular activities in a eukaryotic cell? Correct answer is A. Nucleus. The nucleus stores genetic material and regulates gene expression. Next question. What is the reciprocal of resistance? Correct answer is C. Conductance. Conductance is the inverse of resistance. G equals 1 per R. Next question. Which of the following has metallic bonding? Correct answer is B. Sodium. Metallic solids like sodium have delocalized electrons that allow conductivity. Next question. Which monosaccharide is present in RNA? Correct answer is A. Ribose. RNA contains ribose sugar with one OH group more than deoxyribose. Next question. Bacteria reproduce by. Correct answer is A. Binary fission. Bacteria divide asexually through binary fission, a quick and simple process. Next question. Which quantity is equal to voltage divided by resistance? Correct answer is C. Current. According to Ohm's law, I equals V per R. Next question. Which solid is soft and has low melting point? Correct answer is D. Iodine. Iodine is a molecular solid held by van der Waals forces, making it soft. Next question. Which of the following is not a function of proteins? Correct answer is C. Genetic information storage. DNA, not protein, stores genetic information. Next question. Which of the following structures is unique to eukaryotic cells? Correct answer is C. Nucleus. The presence of a true nucleus is a defining feature of eukaryotic cells. Next question. What is the relation between current, charge and time? Correct answer is C. I equal Q per T. Current is defined as charge flowing per unit time. Next question. Which solid has a regular arrangement of particles? Correct answer is D. Crystal. Crystalline solids have ordered and repeating units of particles. Next question. Which of the following is a storage polysaccharide in animals? Correct answer is C. Glycogen. Glycogen is the storage form of glucose in liver and muscles. Next question. Mesosomes in prokaryotic cells are analogues to which eukaryotic organelle? Correct answer is A. Mitochondria. mesosomes are involved in cellular respiration in prokaryotes? Next question. The unit of electrical power is? Correct answer is D. Watt. Power equal voltage into current. Its unit is watt W. Next question. The hardest known natural substance is? Correct answer is B. Diamond. Diamond has a tetrahedral structure, making it extremely hard. Next question. Which of the following is a nucleic acid? Correct answer is A. DNA. DNA is a nucleic acid that carries genetic information. Next question. Prokaryotes reproduce mainly by which method? Correct answer is C. Binary fission. Prokaryotes multiply through binary fission, which is an asexual mode of reproduction. Next question. Which disaccharide is made of glucose plus galactose? Correct answer is C. Lactose. Lactose is composed of one glucose and one galactose unit. Next question. Which organelle is involved in protein synthesis? Correct answer is B. Ribosome. Ribosomes are the sites of protein synthesis using mRNA as a template. Next question. What is the symbol of electric resistance? Correct answer is D. O. Resistance is measured in ohms, represented by the Greek letter omega O. Next question. Which of the following is an amorphous solid? Correct answer is A. Glass. Glass lacks a long range orderly arrangement of particles, making it amorphous. Next question. Which of the following is a storage polysaccharide in plants? Correct answer is B. Starch. Starch is the main storage carbohydrate in plants, composed of glucose units. Next question. Eukaryotic cells are characterized by? Correct answer is B. Presence of membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotes have organelles like mitochondria, ER, and nucleus enclosed by membranes. Next question. Which solid type is malleable and ductile? Correct answer is D. Metallic. Metallic solids allow layers to slide, making them malleable and ductile. Next question. Which component forms the basic unit of proteins? Correct answer is C. Amino acids. Proteins are polymers of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. Next question. A volt is equal to? Correct answer is D. Joule per coulomb. 1 volt energy per unit charge, joule per coulomb. Next question. The ability to conduct electricity in solid state is highest in? Correct answer is C. Graphite. Graphite conducts electricity due to delocalized electrons in its planar layers. Next question. Which vitamin is also a biomolecule acting as coenzyme? Correct answer is B. Vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 thiamine acts as a coenzyme in metabolic reactions. Next question. In prokaryotes, the cell wall is mainly composed of. Correct answer is C. Peptidoglycan. Bacterial cell walls are made of peptidoglycan, giving rigidity and shape. Next question. What is the product of voltage and current? Correct answer is C. Power. Electrical power P is calculated as P equal V into I. Next question. Which solid has high boiling point but does not conduct electricity? Correct answer is C. Covalent solid. Covalent solids like diamond have strong bonds but no free ions to conduct.